Hello everyone, welcome to Acuity Civil Engineers. In this video, we are discussing a very important factor of your home, and that is the Vastu. Why compliance with Vastu is absolutely necessary, and it is very scientific. Being a student of science, I have always believed that Vastu is not about any Shastra or anything. It is about the comfort, the airflow, and the way a building is designed. If it is Vastu specific, then it solves a lot of problem for the residents. Let us get into it one by one. So first I will explain the principles and then I will get into the detailed Vastu for every type of a room in the house. Stay tuned in this video, and if you like this type of a content, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube. The first thing that Vastu emphasizes on is the sunlight. It emphasizes on the direction, that is the openings on the north or east, and the main aim for this is to ensure that there is adequate sunlight entering into the house. Good sunlight has a lot of benefits, like it reduces the electricity usage, it keeps you in a good health, and it reduces the damp that might take place in the house. It emphasizes on the proper placement of doors, windows, and open spaces to ensure adequate ventilation. Ventilation and airflow are the two basic requirements of healthy living in the house. It also emphasizes on space planning and functionality. It is very similar to modern architectural planning in terms of its requirements, as in the placement of the rooms of kitchen, bedroom, and the living areas. There are certain guidelines for the thermal comfort. In hot areas, placement of certain elements are such designed that they can ensure a cooler environment in the house. A well-lit, balanced, and well-organized home ensures that our mental health is at the best of its spirit. So, the psychological impact that it creates on the residents of a house is not the least. Now we will go one by one into the different rooms, different locations of the house, and get the Vastu directions as well as the benefits of each of the guidelines. The entrance preferably in the east and wide staircases in proper placement invite positive energy to the house and ensures harmony, prosperity, and peace. If the living room opens to the northeast, it is the best because it invites natural light into the living room and a lot of positive energy. Balanced furniture, soothing colors, and proper ventilation are very important for creating a harmony and comfort in the living room. The best place for the bedroom is the southwest, and the bed head should be on the south ideally. Calm colors, proper furniture placement, natural environment, sunlight creates a very peaceful and stress-free sleep environment. Coming to the study, it should be ideally placed in the northeast or east because the morning sun is very good for studying for students and people who do home office, or and the proper direction is very important. The ideal position of the kitchen is in the southeast corner of the house. If possible, please place it on the southeast corner and cook while facing the east, and place the water elements in the northeast for balanced harmony. Keep it bright. The puja room or the place of worship should be in the northeast, and it should be having natural colors, and the east facing idols should be placed. If you are planning the home with Vastu in mind, place the toilet either in the northwest or in the west directions. Keep the tiles color light and ensure that there is adequate ventilation and exhaust fan and windows. avoid leaking taps or damaged pipe. I wish you liked the video. If you have liked it, let us know in the comment section below, and also do not forget to put up your questions in the comments, and you can also follow us or get in touch with us directly. All the links and the contact details are given in the description box. See you later in a new video. Till then, bye bye.